各位好，我是陈一佳。美股在2013年的表现让所有的人都为之惊喜。那在昨天呢，道指又刚刚突破了15000点呢，这是历史上的首次。而现在呢，道指还在进一步的出现上升。美股到底往哪个方向走？在其他的股市投资方面又有什么样值得您关注的呢？今天我们请来了来自于 ATAX Inflation Rotation Fund 的 Michael Gaia 来一起来聊一下。Hi Michael, thank you for coming here.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Yeah, Dow Jones broke 15,000 yesterday, and today it shows no intention to come back. What's your opinion on which direction American equity market is heading to?
Well, this has been a very interesting year from a lot of perspectives. What has led the U.S. markets higher has been non-growth sectors like utilities, consumer staples, healthcare, those areas which are not cyclical. Now, while the U.S. averages have been rallying, emerging markets and anything really dependent upon growth and inflation has lagged very badly. Starting around Friday of last week, a rotation seems to be underway whereby defensive sectors are lagging, cyclicals are leading. That's actually very bullish. That means sectors like energy, materials, industrials, big portions of U.S. averages are starting to show outperformance. That could continue to keep a bid in U.S. averages, but we have to be a little bit cautious, I think. This has been a fairly incredible run in the way that it's happened, much of this obviously because of QE3.
Do you think now monetary policy is ruling the equity market globally?
I think expectations always rule equity markets. And you had a scenario where inflation expectations have been falling despite QE3 globally. And a lot of people saying, well, central banks have to do more. We saw that through yields themselves dropping, and again, the cyclical underperformance. We saw recently the European Central Bank, RBI, RBA, all cutting rates, flooding the system with more money, and they're going to probably keep on doing that. That should, again, at the margin, put a bid into cyclical plays. It serves as a reason to be bullish on equities, but it's not clear it's actually going to filter through to the economy just yet.
You mentioned about the BRICS market, and it seems like you have more faith in these market, and I heard more people have negative opinion about this market. Why you are so bullish about them?
Yeah, that's fantastic that more people are negative on it, because it probably means not too many people are betting on it. You know, you have to look at it from the standpoint of what has lagged, and you know, in markets there are cycles, things which lead lag, things which lag lead. The fact that the MSCI Emerging Markets Index, which includes the BRICS, China is a big portion of that, has lagged the S&P 500 by more than 10% for the year. If you have a scenario where all this interest rate cut causes more risk-taking, and U.S. averages are up here, you can have a convergence of the MSCI Emerging Markets against the S&P, a catch-up trade, whereby they outperform at a faster pace. Because at this point, if you were not in U.S. equities at the start of the year, it's a little hard to invest at these highs, Dow 15,000. Meanwhile, you look around you and you say, well, China's really hasn't done that much. India, Brazil, maybe you take some risk there.
很高兴在这里呢听到了 Michael 对于目前市场的一些分析。那总体来讲的话呢，大局上呢，整个的市场呢还会跟随呢现在的货币等方面的一些政策进一步的出现上扬，而他对于整个的市场呢似乎也充满了信心。那我们一起拭目以待，看看美股和亚洲股市以及欧洲股市未来到底向哪个方向走。感谢各位的收看，我是陈一佳，在纳斯达克，我们稍后再会。